A warm welcome to everybody around the world. What up, traders? Vibes here, your Pearl Lemon consultant and analyzer at Pearl Lemon Crypto. If you have been riding with us through KuCoin or MXC Global or any problem in cryptocurrency, or you already know how we deep dive, how we go. But today I am bringing you something next level. We are cracking into OKX, not just another exchanger, but a full ecosystem built for serious traders, DeFi hands, and Web3 warriors. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype or if it's just another name in the crowd. Let's dive best. As you know, guys, it's one of the best. Cool. It's one of the best exchanges there is. They have so many benefits in terms of ways of passive income and of not just what they say it is. It is the best in my point of view. It has so many features in terms of you can do buy crypto in so many pay methods. For example, people have been asking, how do we actually just come about to actually withdraw, send money to each other, or get so much? As you can see, there's P2P, zero trading fee, buy 100 payment plus payment methods. So if we just had to go inside right here and just click into that, for those who actually use P2P trading, guys, this is a very good way to actually get some zero fees, on that. But I will show you right now how does it look on the OK P2P Express, just for those who actually don't know what is P2P trading, guys. I'll just give you a glimpse and we just be back at where we should be. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, right here, just a quick drive past here. This is the Express P2P Express buy with USDT with ZAR. I am in South Africa, so highly it allocates my location that of course I'm using. I'm in South Africa, so I'm using OKX from South Africa. So it will show me my currency where I am located. If you're anywhere around the world, if you're in Paris, if you're in Italy, if you're in the UK, in England, if you're in Paris, if you are anywhere around the world, it will show you your currency. Don't worry, guys. Just to jump in, how do you buy with a ZAR via P2PC Express? So actually, you just get it right here. It matches the best offer USDT offers. It sends USDT and ZAR and enters the amount you want to buy. Pay with ZAR. Then after that, you pay with ZAR. Select your preferred USDT and pay the seller within the substantial time. Boom. Then after that, you receive USDT. Once the seller confirms the payment, you receive USDT in your account. So basically, that's how it's basically done on the Express. As you can see, you can just do it here. If you're selling also, if you have orders profile, you can jump into that. That's another way of getting literally, buying some USDT right here. And there's so many ways, as you can see. You can also deposit. Let me just quickly look for this right here. Yes, you can deposit via cryptocurrency here. Let's just go in here. There's so many things that you can actually do. You can deposit by so many cryptocurrencies that you want and actually get money into your cryptocurrency account and just getting it there. And OKX has a feature of sports margin and futures accounts. Over 300 tokens are there, 485 plus instruments and 300 plus 30 options. Cheapest limits orders to reduce slippage, smart markets over orders that adjusts, to market movements, and they have low fees at highs like 0.08%. If you're the maker, if you're the taker, that's 0.10%, with deep discounts at at high, at high volume. So, guys, I have been, of course, a regular user in OKX. As you can see, my transaction history. So, you just choose whatever you want to fund your OKX account if you're using USDT, USDC, if you want Bitcoin, if you want Ethereum, if you want Pi. It's literally you could just get that there. So you can just deposit that. If you want to withdraw, also the withdrawing method is also there, guys. You can just check it here. It's right there. And if you look at you have transaction, by just case, I'll make another video if you guys want me to. It's to explain about what is transactions in detail. And then of course you have your analysis profile whereby it literally tells you your analysis in terms of how's your APY has been doing, and then of course got your order center, your trading fees, of course. And if you go to discovery, you can view markets, prices and volume data. It's very useful if you are a person who is literally into deep trading. I recommend that OKX will give you that because you will need to know how are the crypto prices doing. You need to know who is the high ranked, how are things doing, what type of market cap are they in, and not just in crypto. You can get in so many varieties. As you can see, you can get all in what in its category in terms of AI, Solano, the real world assets. That's very good to actually see if you're going to take trades or long term positions. What is the best? As you can see, this is the sports pair whereby they have these are all the sport pairs that are literally there. Like I said before, OKX has over 300 plus tokens here. So they're quite a lot divided by their sections, as you can see right here: AI, Solano, the real world meme, DeFi, layer one, gaming, and deepen. Though if you are a big fan to interact within this within these pairs, then you're in great luck because OKX has them for you here. So guys, so it also applies to your features, whereby if those who love to do it on a daily basic, on trading, for those who believe in trading and on daily basic, features perpetual is also here also, and it more or less provides the same categories as everywhere used to. You can trade in all categories and also pick up to what you want to trade. And as you can see, the market has been substantially down. Bitcoin is at 105.158, and you can see we have like a negative 0.33%. To be honest, that looks to be a very good short in my view. And then we got, Ethereum that's at plus 148%. It's still standing. As you can see, XRP is standing in the cryptocurrency industry. So literally, if you were a trader and you just had to go for XRP for a buy, that would be very good because it's standing to be doing quite well than the others. So you have so many categories that you have here in features trading that you can do. And don't forget, you can also participate in leverage at very high for leverage. I will show you when we just go back. The same thing applies to options. If you're a fan of pre-trading, if you're a fan of pre-trading also, you whereby you get to trade tokens that are actually haven't, that are about to be listed, tokens that are about to be listed, you know, before they're officially listed on the exchange. You can trade it before they actually did. That's the pre-trading method. You can actually do that to participate in other tokens that are actually, haven't actually officially been listed here. That can also do. Then you can also check up on your token index to actually see how how the market is doing. What can you be looking to snatch for? As you can see, XRP is only green among all reds here. That seems to be good. You have the token index, you have the USDT index, you have the USDC index, and of course you have the PCT index that will help you along the way to make your decision much clearer on what type of trades you want to participating. And of course, trading data, guys. This is very good for substantial research. Trading data, as you can see, you can just get number of trading data on how certain assets have been performing for a particular time on both features and sports, and checking on how they have been reacting, how the market has been treating that particular token. This KuCoin is really the best. It gives you a lot of tools to actually help you guys on your journey to make sure you guys execute those trades and be top-notch traders. As you can see, there's so many. You can not only you can do this with multiple tokens, not just only Bitcoin, but multiple tokens. So this is actually a very good benefit for you, and also features and sports and options. And then of course you got the arbitrage data, whereby of course you just get overall data on what's happening here. As you can see, we got very good pairs that have been really going quite well. As you can see, this is very good for you, for those who keep track of arbitrage data. It actually helps you to actually navigate and what's happening on tokens. And if we, that was the discovery. Of course, you got discovery and opportunities, whereby you get to discover new crypto tokens, and marketplace, whereby you reap high returns with community of top traders. You can also engage in that to also be part of a community that's also very good trade in trading. We at Pearl Lemon make sure we provide good insights so that you guys know that you have all the help you can get from us and from the exchanges themselves. Thank you. So to continue on, you got your converter. For those actually, quick convert, zero fee trading. So there is no slippage. It's just a quick convert. If you want to convert, if you're not a fan of doing a spot swap, a spot trade whereby you're gonna swap maybe BCT into USDT. If you don't know that method, you can just use the converter. The converter actually, the converter gives you a very quick way to just convert asset to assets, and it gives you with zero fees, so you guys won't be charged. In other exchanges, you guys are literally charged. Imagine that you're literally being charged to actually convert your own money in your own exchanger, but OKX says we give you zero fees for that, so that you guys don't have to actually lose money. You just swap it, free of charge. So that is literally that function. You can literally swap any currency you want. As you can see here, you can literally convert, zero trading fees, low limits, simple transactions. So you can literally convert your Bitcoin into USDT right now here, guys, at a simple rate. As you can see, no slippages, more pairs. If you want more information, I highly advise you guys to read each and every one of this for more clarification how it works, because it's quite easy. I feel like if you start from here, you'll be able to now understand the much better use of how to do sports and get into more quick features. As we said, features had leverage, and as I promised you guys to show you the leverage, how much leverage it contains, because if I tell you guys won't believe me. So, guys, as you can see, OKX has a leverage of 100x. That means that you guys can trade up to 100x, on the pairs. That's very good. Also on short pairs, also it depends on what you guys want to trade. But perpetuals, there's a lot of there's a lot of currencies there. There's a lot of crypto pairs that you can say. There's a lot of tokens that you can actually trade there, and you can just enjoy yourself. You got your features there. You got also options. You got, like I said, pre-trading, and you also have powerful tools, including like trading robots. You actually set up trading robots to help you with your strategy and ease on trading. You got your marketplace, whereby you see the community giving us strong feedbacks on terms of high returns that maybe you can also jump in, and you can also copy trade also all of futures trading and spot trading, and also lead trader recruitment. You can do that. You have also this very good tools that can also help you. You can also practice on demo. They do have a demo account whereby you can actually just practice on OKX very perfectly. And also you have your growth whereby you have your earn products for passive income, guys. You can also choose to what products you want to earn through them, just not hold but earn. And also you can lend and borrow. You can actually borrow to earn and borrow to spend. So you actually get a loan and actually get Jumpstart, discover new high quality projects around the world. Jumpstart is very helpful, guys. You can actually engage in a lot of new projects that actually haven't actually been there. So OKX has very good passive income routes that are actually there. And of course you got your instrumental things that you need, instrumental home, everything that you need here. It's here. You can just look into a whole lot of that. If you want to learn about OKX, click learn. You should learn a lot more and get more basic news outside. And also, guys, you have to have a verification. Guys, you have verification, proof of reserve, everything. You have to just send out it to get verified and unlock bonuses and rewards that are actually very good. And also, don't forget, KuCoin has its own Web3 built inside. You can also participate in decentralized applications, decentralized finance, and actually get it really good. And you can actually connect to your OKX with TradeView. As you can see, trade on TradeView, and you can actually get you can actually trade on TradeView at the same time analyzing your charts. And if you want to refer, you got a referral link and everything, affiliations. You got it. If you guys want to participate and refer to your friends, you can use the link down below. But guys, OKX nails it with powerful tools, broad Web3 access, a pro-graded tech, and a global trust. If you're serious about trading and exploring DeFi, this is one toolkit you can't sleep on. Hit this if it dropped value to you. Subscribe for more deep dives. Let me know on your OK experience below. Till next time, safe trades and big wins, guys. Vibes from Pearl Lemon. Enjoy.